In the National Means-cum-Merit Scholarship Scheme, NMMSS, the District Nodal Officer DNO plays a crucial role in the scrutiny and verification of the application forms submitted by students and forwarded by the institutions. Through this video, we will understand the process of verification of NMMSS, National Means-cum-Merit Scholarship Scheme applications by the District Nodal Officers, DNOs. First, visit the National Scholarship Portal and click on the Officer section. Click on Login and first select the academic year. Then, log in by entering your username, password and the CAPTCHA code. If you have been newly appointed as a Nodal Officer, the first step is to complete the face authentication process. Here, we will understand the process of face authentication. The DNO user would search and install the Aadhaar Face RD and NSP Face Authentication app available on Google Play Store. Once open the NSP Face Authorization app, its home screen gets appeared. Next, the DNO user clicks on DNO or SNO login. Next, enter user ID and password and click on the login button. After successful login, the user receives the screen where the DNO specific details get visible and then clicks on Proceed for DNO or SNO Face Authentication button. Read the Face Authentication Advisory Statement and click on the Check button and then click on the Proceed button. Next, DNO will be authenticated by the mobile phone's camera for the Face Authentication Aadhaar. Once it's authenticated, the user will receive screen conveying the successful Aadhaar-based face authentication. After completing the face authentication process, when you log in again, following the previously mentioned steps, you will see the status, your biometric authentication is completed, displayed on the screen. You can update your details by going to the Edit Profile section on your dashboard. You can also change your password from there. On the left side of the screen, 4 sections are available. In the Administration section, the following options are provided. Add Dealing Hand. Change INO HOI of Institute. Change or verify Scheme DNO. Add District Users. Verify Institute Registration Form. Institute Revoke. INO Mark as Fake. Duplicate Institute Merge. Detach INO from Institute. Below that, in the Verification section, when you click, you will find 4 options. Quick Verification, Fresh. Re-verification, Fresh. Quick Verification, Renewal. Re-verification, Renewal. For verifying new applications, click on Quick Verification, Fresh. Enter the OTP received on your mobile phone registered on the NSP Portal and verify it. Here, you will see the applications forwarded by the INOs, Institution Nodal Officers of your district. Here, in the Verification section, click on Action. You will see the student's application. Carefully examine it and verify all the eligibility parameters thoroughly. Check the status of the verification done by the Institute Nodal Officer, INO. Review and verify the documents uploaded by the student. After writing your remarks, you will see 4 options below. Verify, Reject, Delete, Close. If you are satisfied with the eligibility assessment, click Verify. Otherwise, you may choose to reject, delete, or close the application. You can view the status of the applications that you have verified, rejected, or deleted in the Report section. In the same manner, you can also take action on the renewal applications. Below that, in the Report section, when you click, you will find 4 options.